Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for JASMY, we are taking a look at our 3 time frames, our weekly, daily, and 4 hours, but very crucial going into this week. So last time that we took it off here in our last video, we were taking a look at the previous candlestick, or now is a previous candlestick of a hanging man candlestick. And again, this is a reversal candlestick. It does check off the characteristics, especially with this longer wick at the very bottom, twice the size of the body itself. Confirmation will be at the end of this week here. So if the price itself closes below this body of the previous candlestick at 0.046, it is going to signal us and give us that confirmation of this reversal on a downtrend. Taking a look overall on the monthly time frame, it still looks quite bullish here for JASMY, so long as we are staying above our 50% of our fib at the 3 cents, then the continuation of the bullish trend can definitely occur here. We do see some overbought conditions on the monthly time frame here at 72% where we're currently at. So again, we may see this body here until the end of the month kind of shrink down, but we are hoping again we do close above that 50%, which is equivalent to the 3 cents. Now again, taking a look at our weekly time frame from that hammer candlestick, some of our characteristics of our other indicators does show some overbought signals, which may bring the price down, especially coming down to a retest of our support line. So our RSI here is at 74%. Anything above the 70% is considered as overbought, where the price and the RSI may come down. So that what is something that we are going to experience, especially from that close from that hammer candlestick. And again, with our MACD indicator, it still looks very positive here with these histograms going into this week, still quite strong here. So it's just a matter of testing this area of support as the body throughout the week does expand. Going into the daily time frame, we are seeing a lot of indecision in terms of the marketplace here. So many cats today. But if we take a look at some of our candlestick here, the bodies are getting smaller. So we know that indecision is within the bulls and the bears, and we're not really seeing that aggression, that breakout in an uptrend or that breakout in a downtrend. But most likely in the next couple of days here, we are going to see a breakout either again at the uptrend or the downtrend, depending on how fast these markets are going to move and how volatile JASMY becomes. When we take a look at the RSI, again, we're very, very neutral here, not overbought, not oversold here at 55%. And we do see the MACD indicator below our 0, with these histograms getting stronger. So again, coming down to an area of immediate support that we found in the last 2 daily candlesticks around our 4 cents. Failure to close above and hold on to support, we may see that support coming down either at our 20 moving average, which is treated as areas of support, and our resistance at 0.04, or possibly come down to the 3 cents, which is our 50% of our Fibonacci level. Again, that is only failure to hold above our 61%. If we do see a surge of the volume and diminishing of our momentum of the bearish side, we may see the immediate test of our resistance at 0.049, or possibly around that 5 cents area. Now, taking a look at immediate short term for 5 hours, exactly what we took a look at on the daily time frame, that tug and war pull between the bulls and the bears. We're seeing more refined here of our consolidation, basically meaning price moving sideways until we see that breakout, either an uptrend or downtrend. So the last few candlesticks here, we've seen that engulfing candlestick, our red candlestick, and we're seeing a lot of, closing below and above our moving averages. Now, this could be the most important part here, is if we do close below our moving averages, we may break through this consolidation range for a downtrend. The immediate support here that we are looking at is few of our candlesticks from December 14th, which was 2 days ago, at the let me get that range, around the 0.042. So this is immediate support here. If we do break below it, it's not a huge deal itself, as the consolidation range is found below 0.041. So I want to say if the price does approach the 0.041, closes above it, closes below it, and does not hold at the 3 cents, then that could possibly be alarming here for a downtrend. If we take a look again at some of our characteristics of our candlestick, and if you do see this green candlestick on the screen itself, it's not a piercing pattern, which is known as a reversal from a downtrend. It does not meet the characteristics of the candlestick body that is twice the size of the previous red bearish candlestick. So if the body was extended around 0.045, where the cursor is at, then it does meet the characteristics of the piercing. However, it does not, so we don't see that sudden surge. A few indecisions of our candlestick in the previous one is that spinning top candlestick, or essentially that indecision, because we don't see any dominancy of this candlestick here. Now, we do see some bearish signals in terms of the two indicators that I love using, which is our RSI here. We see the RSI dip a little bit closer, 48%. Not considered oversold here, so we may not see that immediate support for the price and the RSI. And we do see the MACD indicator getting into these red histograms. The surge, or that momentum, isn't quite as strong because we don't see these bars itself quite big. If we do see a surge of an increase of this momentum itself, be prepared for higher volume and be prepared for that immediate retest of our support of 0.042. So that's essentially where we are seeing JASMY. We're seeing a temporary pause in this current uptrend. And again, it's coming down to crunch time at the end of this week to see how our hanging man candlestick on the weekly time frame is going to play out. But let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys for sticking with me with these JASMY videos, liking and subscribing, but most importantly, commenting down below really helps and supports my channel. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.